This How to 1 Minute will show you how to decrypt or reset WordPress password from database. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. Log into your cPanel and scroll down. Under Databases section, click on phpMyAdmin. And from this left-hand menu, you have to click on the database, which one is connected with your WordPress website. So my one is this one. And now here you have to search for users. Click on users. And here you will get all of your WordPress user list. To decrypt any password, click on edit. And here you will get the user password box. So you have to click on this drop down and here scroll down and select MD5. Now from here you can easily change or decrypt your WordPress admin password. Then click on go to save changes. And this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.